In this week's video, Cindy thinks about putting me in daycare. But it's okay, because I try and get some free drinks as well. I also get to talk about deep throat. And look at the depth of the throat on that, from here to here must be 36 inches. We get some amazing footage from a marina whose name we can't even pronounce, other than the first part is Samos. We discover that the town has some amazing artwork painted on the sides of houses and in the street. And we get to see one of the most spectacular sunsets that we've seen in a long time. Last week, we were at the eastern end of the island of Samos. This week, we travelled westward, 20 odd miles along the bottom of the island to Almos, Campo. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is what the place looked like. It was absolutely beautiful. For a marina in the Med, it was reasonably priced at €21, but that's still expensive if you've got to spend a week there. And actually there wasn't an awful lot there, although it was a pretty town. 25 mile sail, ran the water maker, ended up here. That's the breakwater there. We are just here. €21 a night. Water and electricity are extra, but it seems okay. We needed to resupply. We've been out. Well, where was the last place we shopped? Calaminos, which was 12 days ago.
Yeah.
And we wanted to run the water maker in open water, so yeah, 25 mile sail. Well, hardly a sail.
Come on, we were doing 1.7 knots at one point.
Yeah, didn't even get the cruising chute up. But yes, so we're here. We're going to have a wander around the town, see what it's like. Yeah, you guys know what I'm like with industrial stuff. Look at that. I think that's an American bandsaw. I think. But I'm going to have a look, because that's a biggie. I can't find a name on it. The belts are underneath, look. And it was overhead belt drive. I can't see a name. Let's see if we can get a bit nearer. No name. But that's a big casting. It's still bolted to the ground, so whatever was here was a big workshop. And look at the depth of the throat on that, from here to here must be 36 inches. Nice mural on the wall at the back, look. There's the name of the artiste. But yeah, that's a big one. Don't know what it is. It's pretty though. Somebody likes their plants. I might need to go to daycare centre. The other side's quite funny as well. We could get free drink here. Come on, you know you want to. Great artwork around here. Big fig tree. The ice cream's melting. Oh, it's hot. Even the cat's found somewhere to sit out the sun. What we need to go and sit out the sun. Oh, it is, I don't know. That says Alex Martinez. Art is absolutely fantastic in this place. Didn't see that on the way up. Another great mural, isn't it? Well, there's more down here. Is that one signed? That's Alex again.
Is that Martinez or something?
Martinez, I think, yeah. You see that?
What is it?
Well, the tables have turned.
Oh.
The day was incredibly hot, but in the evening we managed to get the drone up so we could show you around the town and the marina. We only spent one night in the marina. The second night we anchored just outside, before we headed south and slightly west, down to Patmos. And of course Patmos is biblically historic, as it's where St. Paul wrote the book of Revelations. That's the bay we're in. We are just here in front of that super yacht. That's SV Cordelia with its port side towards us. You see the bay is extremely well protected. And a rough road, that's Cindy up there, and rubbish bins. So let's go and have a look and see what the view's like from up the hill. That's the view from the hill. We're not quite at the top yet. The generator running in the background. You get a taxi from here into Patmos. There's a big restaurant and taverna here. It is a lovely spot, very well protected. You can see why it's busy. And of course, a church on an island. Someone's been using a shotgun on the beach here. Oh, it's probably got washed up from somewhere. Oh, it is hot, isn't it? And stony. The iron in that. Rocks. Amazing. That's the church we could see.
From the other side.
From the other side. There's a bit of breeze, but it still is warm, isn't it? So that's how you get up to it. Up this little beach. And up the path. We're just going to go around the island and see what we can see. Well, that's the whole island we've done and not a single cow, so I don't know where they are.
Hiding up the top.
They're not renowned swimmers, are they? I mean, they can swim, but right round the island. Not a beast to be seen. Sun's going down now. Just about to go down over the top of that hill there. Little bit of swell coming in. People still on the beach. It's still quite warm. French guy's still wandering around his boat stark naked. Good luck to him. It's still there. I'll take a few shots of this. A few stills, I think. Next time we take a ride into the main town on a bus that costs us just €1.80, and it's worth every single penny. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and say something in the comments. We love reading your comments. Sail safe, guys.